When it comes, guys, to expressing probabilities as fractions, decimals, and percentages, there really is actually no difference to our regular fraction, decimal, and percentage conversions. The key thing that I really want to drive home is simply that we can express probabilities in these different forms. It's something that people really often forget. If we have a probability of 0.7, for example, we can express it as 70%. We can also express it as 7 over 10. We can also, like I said at the start, express it as 0.7. So all of those things mean the same thing. We can express probabilities in those different ways. Let's have a look at this one just to show you a quick example. It says I can't even speak today, a fair four-sided spinner has sides labeled 1, 2, 3, and 4. Express the probability of it landing on a 3 as a fraction, decimal, and percentage. What's the probability of it landing on a 3, guys? Well, it's a fair four-sided spinner. There are 4 different options. We want the probability of it landing on a 3, which is just one of the options, so it's going to be 1 over 4. As a fraction, converting this then into a decimal and a percentage. Best way to do this is going to be to write it as something over 100. How do we get from 4 to 100? We times it by 25, so we do the same to the top. 1 times by 25 is going to be 25. So we've written this as 25 over 100. We can then read our percentage simply from the top. It's going to be 25%. And then writing it as a decimal, we just take that percentage and put 0 point in front of it, and we get our answer of 0.25. Guys, the key here, probabilities can be expressed as fractions, decimals, and percentages because they all mean the same thing.